Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a new ignition coil in a Briggs and Stratton 550E lawnmower. So let's get right on into it. First things first, here's a little look at the engine, the 550E by Yard Machines, Briggs and Stratton. You put 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be a very straightforward job, very quick job actually. You're going to be using a 8mm socket, and let's get these taken off. 1, 2, 3. And once you got all those 3 off, you'll be able to just pop the housing right on up, and you'll get access to the flywheel assembly and the ignition coil that we're going to be changing out. So once again, grab your socket, wrench, throw it on the ground, and I'll give you the exact socket for it. And the exact socket we're going to be looking for is going to be 1/4. And we take this one off, we take this one off, and you can unplug this as well. It's just going to be the little cord that's attached to the coil. Boom, boom. You get the screws removed, save them. You're going to need to use them to replace it. They're magnets, so be a little stuck, pop it out. You'll pop this whole thing on out. The new one, in this case, this is my old one, as I'm just redoing this job to make a video on it. So, take the side right over in here. This is how it's going to go. Weasel this up underneath the little metal component on in there. Once again, you're going to see it's magnets, so it's going to stick. Line it up with the holes on in there. You can take this guy, just weasel him on in there. Take this guy and attach him right down onto that little metal, get it on in there. Weasel it right on in there. And it's gonna get you going right away. Then get these screwed back in with these bolts. And make sure you get these real nice and snug with your 1/4 socket. You can reconnect this to the top of your spark plug now. After you've done that, you can put your housing back on. You might need to give this little pull, like as you're pushing down on it, just to make sure this fits in correctly with the pull cord assembly and the engine components and flywheel and all that. So you'll know when it sits in there. It's going to sit in like very firm, very snug. 1, 2, 3, 8mm socket. Boom, boom, boom. I can count that you know how to do that. So we're going to end the video right there. Now that is how you change the coil on a lawnmower in about 2 to 5 minutes max. So, boom! For watching as always, and I hope you enjoyed.